How to enable comments notifications only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable comments notifications only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. First, and open Instagram Lite, and now click this one, click on your profile, and now click this three lines in the top corner, and then click settings, and here you will find notifications, and then click post stories and comments, and scroll down. Here you will find the comments. Now just select from people I follow, and now that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.